Hi guys, I am Joseph Bandico, the technical support of CBR. For this video, we will talk about what is CBR and the logo of CBR. CBR means Computer, Build, and Repair. So as you can see in the logo, there are different kinds of specialized tools surrounds it, wherein we will gonna use those tools in building and repairing the appliances specifically in the computer. Having these tools, we will assure to provide timely and quality build and repair of customers' products. As part of our goal, we will maintain high quality service and care. We will provide courteous, build, and repair to the customers' appliances. Inside the logo, we put the three big capital letters with its meaning and a combination of color yellow and black. So it would be catchy to the eyes of the people. The color yellow represents positivity, hope, and happiness. As we provide quality services, we will make sure that our customers will be happy and satisfied. We will make sure to build and repair the best that we can be. The color black represents our strength and power. In repairing computer, it requires time and patience. And by that, we will assure our customers to have the best product they can have. If you guys would asking why would you choose our shop in build and repairing your computer? Well, first, we will provide fast and on-site service. We will cater personal attention of the customers at the very affordable price, and we will ensure that they will receive the highest quality of customers service available. So, if you want to visit my site, please follow this and you can check CBR Computer Build Repair. Thank you so much.